Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 52. It is Thursday, June the 26th, and we are almost at Friday. Happy for the weekend. We're getting some relief from the extreme hot temperatures, which means I think most of us got a good night's sleep, so thank goodness for that. All right, so the fishies here have been given water change, spot clean, and fed baby brine shrimp because we know that they absolutely adore it. Hello, one. Hello, big one. All right. So they're swimming and hunting and eating, playing with each other, however betas play with each other. And here are the little ones. They're enjoying their breakfast. I wonder if females take longer to mature. I wonder. What do you guys think? Because I'm noticing the ones that are getting bigger in this grow out, they're not showcasing a lot of color like the others that I removed. And we all know that the males are the ones that really shine with their colors. Even though nowadays females are absolutely spectacular versus the drab gray and brown basic coloration they used to have. So do they develop slower is the question. If anybody knows, please add it in the comment because I want to know. These guys have been fed the same amount of brine shrimp, the same water changes, care, everything that these guys have had. But look at the difference. It's mind-boggling. And for me and anybody else who is new to raising betas, it would be beneficial to know if anybody has experience about that. So thanks. I appreciate any feedback about this, because curious minds want to know. Anyway, so everyone's well. I mean, no complaints. Plants are growing. Water's maintaining 7.4. They're eating a variety of baby brine shrimp and crushed food. And yeah, we're doing well here. So thanks for popping in. And this is Beta Mom signing out.